In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment methods in WordPress 2025. If you're looking to set up an online store or simply wish to receive payments through your website, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, we need to head over to wordpress.com, open your favorite web browser and type in the URL to access the WordPress homepage. Once there, look towards the upper right corner, you should see the login button. Give that a click. When you're presented with the login options, select Continue with Google. This is a convenient choice if you already use Google for other services, as it streamlines the process and saves you from remembering yet another set of login credentials. After clicking, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to associate with your WordPress site. Now you're in. On the main dashboard, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find the Quick Links section. Locate and click on Edit Site. This will take us to where we can start really customizing your site, including adding those crucial payment methods. Once you're in the site editor, click on your website. You'll want to find the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. It's usually located in a fairly prominent spot within the editor, so it should catch your eye. Simply click to open it. From here, you want to click Browse All. This will display all the available blocks and elements that you can add to your website. It's a good way to familiarize yourself with the full range of options WordPress offers. Next, scroll down to find the Monetize section. This is where payment related elements are housed. It's organized in a way that's easy to navigate even if it's your first time working with WordPress. Here you'll see various payment method options. Depending on your preferences and the needs of your business, choose which ones you wish to incorporate. It could be PayPal, credit cards, or another method that's suited for your clientele. Once you've selected your desired method, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure all your hard work is not lost. This step might seem simple, but it's arguably the most vital. And there you have it, you've successfully added payment methods to your WordPress site. Always double check your settings to confirm everything's functioning correctly, and feel free to explore more features to further enhance your site. With just a few clicks, you're well on your way to monetizing your content and expanding your business opportunities. Happy building!